Good evening, traders. Today's Monday, April 10th. The market wants the hive. It wants it back. That is this yellow-orange line right here. Connects currently at this time to 413. For you newer viewers, you don't know what in the world the hive is. This line that starts at 413 and goes all the way to the left connects exactly to October 13th, 2022 wick low. SPY 348.11. Also known as the bottom of the market. Have you noticed this past week that major bearish YouTube channels are dwindling quietly, riding off into the sunset? Most notably, the biggest one, the Maverick of Wall Street. He has quit without a trace, ghosted all of his viewers. No tweet, nothing. Just stopped. Because he knows. He's always known the jig is up. The hive I've been talking about since January. 4 months now. The hive is what the market wants back. And here we are. Here we are. Today, higher lows than Thursday. We didn't trade Friday. Okay. And that's higher lows. Well, it's not higher than what is this? The 4th? Yes, this is the 4th. Not higher than the 4th. But that because the 4th was the peak. Retrace, and now up. You start making higher lows than the previous. I'm sorry, what am I saying? Higher lows. Higher highs. Higher highs than the previous trading day. Yeah, guess what? You're going up. Higher lows than the previous trading day. Guess what? You're going up. And see this pink line right here? Today we just broke that. That's the downtrend line since 4-4 right here. We just broke that, and guess what? We're going up. Okay, so let's just get into the intraday action. This will be relatively brief. Here's a pretty straightforward day. Let's start off at 8:26 a.m., 4 minutes before opening bell, Central Time. I tweeted out, yeah, this morning's going to be tricky, guys. Been falling. On the one hand, the 65-minute negative cross and the 65-minute MACD. Was it? Let me see. No, this is out of view. I showed two images here, and this one's kind of centered, so this is not quite the right view. But on the one hand, the 65-minute negative cross, meaning it's gone below the signal line, negative cross, and headed toward below the zero line, which it did. I think I might have another screenshot or a tweet later on that'll show this. On the other hand, the 5-minute shows consolidation under the half channel. That right here, under. This is right before opening bell. It's right here, right? It started going under the half channel and could dip a little, which it did, lower, then rip the other way, which it did. I'll wait for the dip, then backtest up to see if it gets rejected. I was talking about right here. Okay, see if the channel line and SMA 20 would reject it. Then I'll short it. Okay. Okay, so it's making its way up right here, and that would have been this tweet right there. See that? See if it gets rejected at the half channel and SMA 20 junction. Here's the half channel, and here's the SMA 20 junction right there. Okay, so it ended up looking like it's getting rejected. Like, okay, like this red candle right here. See that? Like, oh, boom. Okay, see, it looked like a rejection. Now let's see what the next tweet is. Okay, so I didn't take a move. I'm scaling long, but I didn't take a move when I saw this big red candle because I wanted to see where this stopped. Where does it make a higher low or lower low? Okay, so as we know now, hindsight is 2020. It actually made a higher low, so I didn't take an action. So but this is tricky though, because the classic signs of a rejection were there. See that? Yeah. Up, down, down, down. It's like, oh, see ya. That's actually, by any standard, a rejection. Yes. But, the reason why I didn't do anything is because all of this, it's already been falling like a madman. It was already falling. I was like, I don't think it's got that much farther to go. That's why. That's why you saw me tweeting earlier, a few moments ago. I said, I think it's already it's just gonna dip under the channel and then rip the other way. See? Because of this was already too much. That's too much. It's too much. I doubted it was gonna go already fall, up, and then keep falling again. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Another reason why I doubted that is because look at this MACD. Here's opening bell. Before opening bell, it was already starting to come up. Haha. Up to create higher low notch. That's why. That's another reason why. Because I'm watching, you know me, I'm watching the MACD all the time. I first watch the MACD and then I look up and look at price to see how the price oscillates or relates to the MACD, not vice versa. I don't look at the price first and then I look at the MACD. I look at the MACD first and then I look at the price because the price always follows MACD. Full stop. That's it. The debate's over. When I say in my tweets in the previous, for you newer viewers who don't know what I'm talking about, I have said many times, don't stare at the light. What do I mean when I say that? I'm talking about all this business. That's staring at the light like, oh, look at that. Oh my God. Don't stare at the light. And what I'm talking about is, look at the MACD. Uh-oh, MACD was already starting to do bullish divergence. Bullish divergence. It was already bottoming. That's why I sent out that tweet. I said, I think it's going to dip underneath that channel line, and then it's going to rip the other way. Yes, indeed. That's why I said, when did I say? Oops, hold on a second. Oh, you can't see the time on this one. That's all right. I'm scaling long. If it takes this back, I'm scaling long. Okay? Scaling long. As soon as I saw this, up, up, up. That's it. The reason why is because, why? Let's look closely. That is a higher low than this. Now you start to take it back the SMA 20. Now you're taking back the channel line. That's it. That's it. Because it was already too much falling. So Bollinger Band speak, you're already on the outer edge of the Bollinger Band. Clearly, I don't have Bollinger Band on here, but I can just tell by looking at this, oh yeah, you're on the outer edge of the Bollinger Band. That's aside from the fact that you're coming up under a half channel line. That's a major line, by the way, a half channel. Okay? So for you newer viewers, it goes half channel, eighth channel, blue line, fourth channel, and then it's well, it's gonna go blue again. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, scaling long. Yep, I went long right there. It dipped and then it rocketed. Okay, so in 12 minutes, a new 65-minute candle opens. That was right here. That would have been equivalent to right here. In 12 minutes, a new 65-minute candle opens, sandwiched between the half channel and the SMA 20. Here is the half channel, right? The red line, and here's SMA 20. Okay. In 4 minutes, a new 65-minute candle opens. Yes, sir. Right here. In 4 minutes, it's going to open. What happens? We all know. I'm nibbling a little more long. That's right. You gotcha. I'm already seeing the writing on the wall. Higher low here. Come up. Higher low here. I'm sorry. Higher high. Higher high. This is a higher low. This is a higher low. This is a higher high. And then come down here, higher low here. Oh man, I saw this green candle. That's it. Nibbling more long. Okay. Last Thursday's high. Okay. Yeah, you can't see it in this view, but I did show it in this tweet right here. Pre-market 409.49 right here. 409.49 is higher than, guess what? Last Thursday's high, 409.48. Higher high, higher high. What happens in a higher high? You go higher. Are you guys getting the theme now? Are you seeing the themes? Higher high, higher low, higher low. That's it. See what I mean? These are the things that I look for. So this is 9:33. This is an hour after trading. See, I'm already like, this is what I do. I'm just looking. I'm looking at previous days. Where's the previous high? Where's the previous high intraday? Right? Like right here. Where's the previous high to the previous trading day? Oops, sorry. Okay, so what you're looking at on screen right now, and also in my tweets, this is my trading screen, guys. That's it. I don't throw anything else on there. I'm just looking relative to intraday, previous days. I'm looking how it interacts with the EMA 50 line, the SMA 20 line. I just want to see how it interacts. I'm looking for bullishness or bearishness, right? Bullishness or bearishness. That's it. See? That's it. And my MACD indicator, a couple of you have asked from time to time. I mean, this is it. 12, 26, 9. This is just out of the box standard, guys. I'm not customizing it. Okay? RSI, 14. That's out of the box standard. Right? Okay? So, I'm not using anything fancy here. Except for some of the stuff, these channel lines I've drawn in there manually. All right. So, in 7 minutes, right here. Ah, okay, in 7 minutes, a new 65-minute candle opens. I don't think this is going to tank. Now, it went up, then it went down. Now, let me tell you what. Let me see all slides. Hold on a second. Let me show you something. That slide, when I just said in 7 minutes, would have been this one. It was this one. When I said, it's gonna open a new candle, I don't think it's going to tank. So what it did, it was already going up 4 consecutive hours, right? Up, 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 up. This one was a technically, if you want to call it, a down, and then up again. Okay, so down, right? Okay, so this is a doji, right? So you got that visual right now. So let's go back to this. This was the doji. So it's already gone up for 4 consecutive hours previously. So this time it's just a pullback candle on the 65-minute chart. So when I said I don't think this is going to tank, what I'm talking about is lower lows all the way down here. When I say tank, this is a dip. That's not a tank. This is a dip. Okay? It's not going to tank. Okay. In 13 minutes, a new 65-minute candle starts. Now, okay, this was the red. Okay, yeah, what I just talked about. This was the red backtest down leg candle, that doji that I just showed you. Here's the tweet that I was just talking about it on the 65-minute time frame, just to put it into context what just happened, like why this was the down leg that I'm talking about here in this tweet, the red backtest down leg candle. Now we go up because of higher lows. Right there. See that? This is higher than that. This is higher than that. That's higher than that. That's just the way it goes. And this was on Thursday. See that? Higher lows, up we go. Higher highs as well. Remember that. Higher highs. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, yeah, that's just me commenting. Boop. Okay. All right. This is the 65-minute chart. 407.99 is retaken. Where is that? 407.90. Oh yeah, that's okay. So 407.99 right here. That's the 65-minute EMA 50, guys. That. Oh, I don't have it drawn out here. Yeah, we can. Here, let's see. Let me just zoom in real fast. 407, 407. Basically 408 even right here. Oh yeah, right here, right here, right here. Yes, right here. 408 even. This was the one. This is the location of the 1 hour EMA, of the 65-minute EMA 50 right here. Okay. MACD, 65-minute MACD right here, starting to curl up, starting to. It's going to positive cross on the MACD since the EMA 50 was retaken. The EMA 50 on the 65-minute. Okay. Yeah. See, this is the 65-minute. Here's the EMA 50. It's above it now, right? That this is the equivalent location of the EMA 50 right here, right there. It busted past it. It just boop, 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 kept going up, 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 and away. All right. So we are looking to close the day at session highs. Yep, I sent that tweet when it was about like we'll just say like right here or so. We're gonna close at session highs, and did we? You betcha we did. You betcha. We're gonna take out that pre-market 409.49 high right here. That's what I said. I called it. We're gonna take it out. Okay, now this is important. You see this? Oh, well, you can see it right here. That's going up, and that's going down. That's bearish divergence. Here's when I pay attention to the MACD bearish divergence as of right now. This is 2:20 p.m., so an hour and 40 minutes left to go in the trading day. Divergence is negated if you can get a positive cross. This MACD curls up. And did it happen? Yes it did. Now, what I need to... I don't know if that's higher or not. I didn't actually ever check that. I have to go back and check. I don't think so. Just eyeballing it. This looks slightly lower than that. So, okay. So, when it got... Okay, I sent that tweet out right here. Yes. Yes. Okay. I'll scale out of some of my calls. I'm taking profit. Yeah, right here. I got out. Right there. Yep. I said, you know what, man, this is good. This is good. I didn't get out everything. I got out of some of my calls. Okay, so I'm just commenting right here. Yes, right here, down here. In 15 minutes, a new 65-minute candle opens. It's buying time until the new candle opens. That's what it was doing. It's just kind of slogging along. See that going, kind of messing around, going down. The dashed pink line downtrend is from the 4-4 peak. That's this line right here. That's equivalent to this line right here. This is from the 4-4. Today's 410. This is from the 4-4 peak. See how it came up to it, came down, boop, boom, out. Okay. So, it pays to know your downtrend lines, guys. All right, in 4 minutes, the new 65-minute candle opens. I would have sent that tweet out, right here. Right here. And what happens in 4 minutes? Bye. Okay. So, okay, I'm trying. Yeah, 207. You know, there was bearish divergence, guys, and I'm just saying that MACD better turn up. If it did at the end of the day. See that? Here we go, right here. It turned up, but it wasn't it wasn't doing it for 98% of the day. See that? Down, 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 down. It finally turned up like at the end. To be safe, I'm scaling out of calls. Watch. Look at this. Look at this. I said this an hour, and we'll just call it an hour and a half before close. Watch it rip up in the final 10 minutes. And what happened in the final 10 minutes? Literally up after I scaled out. So, yeah, I got out like right here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's about right. I got out like right here. Yeah, before this red candle started going down. Yeah, I got out right there. So I missed out on this right there. That's good enough. Because I got in all the way down here. I was getting it down there. So at closing bell, it broke out from the 4-4 downtrend pink line. Yes, it did. Here it is right here. Closing bell, it said, see ya. It wants the hive 413. Oh, you can't see it. Not in this view. I showed it to you earlier, though. The hive up there. 413, guys. That's what it wants. And that's all I've got for today. Feel free to follow me on Twitter where I give real-time tweets, intraday trading action. Don't forget to listen to your favorite music as you are trading or not trading. If you're just relaxing, helps you get into the right state of mind, your flow state. And feel free to have your favorite cigar if that's your deal. Please give this video a like, share, subscribe, or click to be notified when I release something new. With that, I'm Agent 00 signing off.